Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and this will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy. If you are new here and you think that trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session. Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP. So today we will trade in on a broker pocket option. $10. Our initial balance. We will try to increase it more than 10 times, I think. Our currency pairs. So our parameters, the amount is $10. 1 minute of the deal amount. 1 minute time frame. 8 currency pairs for today. Payout percentage is quite high. So let's see. For general technical analysis, we will use technical analysis and our indicators, our Keltner channel, these parameters. You can copy it and use it in your trading. So blue channel, a volatile based technical analysis indicator to help determine the trend in the market. Like other similar indicators, for example, Bollinger Bands or Donchian channel, it's based on the principle of channel movements. We'll move in that direction that our channelists showed us. Like here we see oscillator, our second indicator. You can see its parameters also. I won't show it for long because the series are boring for me, but I still need to you to know. I explain quickly. So this indicator that measures the mood of our market, thanks to this indicator you can determine what the market is like, bullish respectively or bearish, red or green, saying so like this. It's quite simple indicator. So what to say more? These are the basics that should be explained, and I will always explain about indicators. So we start our trading session with these two indicators and with our technical analysis. So approximately 8 currency pairs for today, as I say. Our first currency pair, let's open up deal and let's start our technical analysis. Payout percentage is $92. We see that by Keltner channel, the general position of the channel on a good basis. On the topic we have, it's directed upwards. The second indicator, we don't see any corrections because the rise was very strong. I think that when we rise to approximately this limit, should be already. Nevertheless, we see we reached upper position to this position for growth. Our resistance level, we see that this is what happens. We see that, yeah, It's good. Very nice. Plus deal. $19. And we go on. Here we are, up deal, and we start our technical analysis. So we have downward trend and we catch a small reversal. For this reversal, we need to open a bullish position as quickly as possible, of course. So what we see here, what we have, the mark has already been overcome, but on the channel, according to the indicator of the channel, we see that two sliding ones are in the correct position. Let's see, it works 100%. 16 seconds left until the end of the deal. Let's wait. Two seconds. Yeah, good. Plus deal, we have a profit. So we increase our deal amount to $36 and we will move on. Here we are in the third concept. Let's open up here and start our technical analysis. At the moment, we see that our trend is clearly moving towards an upward trend, and in the last range, since we're in other online deal, by Keltner channel, we see we keep the first one above our midpoints. Yeah, good. Two red bars on the second indicator, we see due to the small general drawdown. We also need to pay attention to the fact that we will try to move. Let's see for the chart. 12 seconds left until the end of the deal. We see we're almost reaching the peak of our certain resistance level. Yeah, plus deal. Good. $70. We increase it, deal amount, and we move on to the next concept. Down deal, and we start our technical analysis. Support area, we reached it. Good. Quite confident. By Keltner, the channel is completely directed to the lower position and we are overcoming the lower boundaries. It's also a double plus. So what's more, the same situation in the second indicator. Drawdown we see on our chart, on our market. Let's just see. Nothing more needs to be said. We are confident that we are staying below our opening points. Yeah, this is what happens, and we'll finally overcome the $100 mark. $135 on our balance, good. We increased our balance quite well. Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you will find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies. I will increase this amount and we move on to the next concept. Here we are, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. So what we see here, downward trend is predominant below. By Keltner channel, we stable, but if we move below our moving average, original on the Keltner channel coordinate, it suggests that after all, the downward trend is still in place and it will still be more dominant at the moment. Two green candles, nevertheless, it has the general position of a downward trade. 14 seconds left until the end of the deal. After the green bar, one red appeared, as we see. 5 seconds left. Yeah, successfully. Great situation. 260. Let's move on. Down deal. Global downward trend makes itself. Candle ends and a rather large shadow position has formed. By Keltner channel, what we see? Entire channel is directed to the lower position. We slightly go beyond its lower boundaries. Just one bar was formed due to this channel drawdown. This is the drawdown trend is also and remains predominant. We do not have a support area as such, that is, we will continue to move towards that is. 5 seconds left until the end. And yeah, good deal, 240. Let's leave $250 as the amount. Here we are, down deal, and we start our technical analysis. At the moment we're experiencing some kinds of drawdown reversal since but since the previous channel drawdown had a recovery, and before that the recovery called for an area of resistance. We have now entered this area of resistance and are beginning to roll back to the lower position. This is very clearly visible on the Keltner channel indicator. So clearly have a non-convergent trend. This is a reversal. 17 seconds left. Yep, our deal closes in plus good. Profit is $30, if I'm not mistaken. I think we'll have 8 cancer pairs, and that will increase $300, I think. Let's move on to the last cancer pair. We will just try to touch the mark. It's $1,000. Here we are, and we start our technical analysis. What we see here? Downtrend. Good. Support area. You can see that we have reached it and turned around more than once. By Keltner channel indicator, we also see that we have lower position and we define its lower boundary. By our oscillator, we're in the stable situation. Good. Last red bars. 8 seconds left until the end of the deal. One red candle. Yep, plus deal. Excellent. We reached $1,000. And let's finish our video. Let's summarize. We have 2 indicators for today, and we reached $1,000. We increased our balance more than 10 times. Good. result for today. And if you have any questions, you can write in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.